Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vegetarian burrito. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for preparation. Next, I'll guide you through cooking the flavorful fillings, including perfectly seasoned beans and tender sautéed vegetables. Then, we'll warm our tortillas to make them pliable and easy to work with. Finally, I will demonstrate how to expertly assemble your burrito, creating a satisfying and wholesome meal in just a few simple steps. Now, let's dive into preparing our delicious fillings. First, sauté about 1 cup of diced onions and 2 colorful bell peppers in a pan until they are wonderfully tender. Next, take 1 15-ounce can of black beans, rinse them, and season generously with 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder for a burst of flavor. Don't forget to cook 1 cup of your favorite rice, like brown or white, to create a satisfying base for your burrito. Alright, it's time for the fun part, assembling your burrito. Start by laying a large, warm tortilla flat on a clean surface. Warming it makes it much easier to roll without tearing. Next, place about 1/2 cup of your cooked rice in the center, leaving a good 2 inches of space around the edges. Then, add a generous spoonful of your seasoned black beans and sautéed vegetables. Now, fold in the sides of the tortilla, then roll it tightly from the bottom up, creating a perfect, secure package. Your delicious vegetarian burrito is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to customize it with your favorite toppings. Consider adding a sprinkle of shredded cheese, a dollop of cool sour cream, or a dash of spicy hot sauce for an extra kick. For an even more satisfying experience, you can lightly grill or pan-fry your assembled burrito for about 2 minutes per side, giving it a lovely golden brown finish. Serve it immediately and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.